So I'm going to show you how to set a picture as background, and I'll explain what that means. So I have the OneNote open on my computer. You could work in Teams under the class notebook, but this is just a better screen. I think it's just easier because it's bigger. So I am going to insert a printout file here. So I've made my worksheet. I want to insert it and put it in for copy, quote unquote, and then be able to have it saved in my teacher only section here, and then eventually distribute it to my students. So insert, printout. I am going to choose the right day. Okay. So it's going to convert it to a set of images, and here it is on the page. So as you can see, it prints it out. If you want, you can delete these icons up top here just to make more room, and you can move this page further to the top. Now, that is nice to be able to move it. However, if you're a student and you want to go ahead and write on this and you start writing, you could accidentally start moving this page around unintentionally when you're trying to write over it. So in order to prevent that, you want to set your image as a background. So I am actually going to do this at once for both pages. There's no default way to do this, at least not yet. There was, and then Microsoft took that option away. So you have to do it individually with each picture. So I'm going to select the picture. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to scroll down. Oh, first I actually want to move this so they're back to back nice and neatly. Okay, so here's my first picture that I have selected. I'm going to hold down the control button and select my next picture. And if there are multiple pictures or 4 or 5 pages, you would just hit the control button and hold it down on your keyboard as you select your pictures. Then you're going to right click and your menu is going to come up. You're going to set picture as background, and now it is in the background. I cannot move it all around, but I can type right over it, and then I can move my text box wherever I want to. I can go to the draw feature and I can now draw. Let me take my pen out, sorry. I can now draw, and I can move that wherever I want as well, and move it over here and so on. Okay, so you're going to select everything using the control and then right click and set picture as background.